Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to do soap cutting videos. Firstly, you'll need a soap bar, then cutting tools like a knife, slicer or cutter, tray or cutting board, and then tissue or towel to wipe the knife between cuts. Now, if the soap is too hard, microwave it for 5 seconds. If it's too soft, freeze it for 10 minutes. Remove any plastic wrapped or residue and you can decorate or crave this surface with lines or cubes for neat cuts. Now use natural light and avoid harsh shadows. Use your smartphone or camera with macro focus and mount it on a tripod or stack for books for stability. Record in portrait mode for TikTok, YouTube Shorts or landscape for YouTube. Focus closely on the soap and fill most of the frame. Start recording before the knife touches the soap and cut slowly and smoothly. Viewers love the crisp sound and motion. Try different cutting styles like straight slices, crinkle cuts or cube cuts, or random breaking cuts. Record in a quiet room and use an external microphone if possible. Now, use a simple editing tools like CapCut, InShot, VN or DaVinci Resolve to trim out unnecessary parts, slow down or edit the video generally. Now all you have to do is post and optimize. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.